Have you ever pondered the future of robots? Will they merely remain tools, or might they transform into autonomous entities, capable of outpacing their human creators? Let's embark on a journey into a not-so-distant future, where robots have indeed taken over. Picture a world where the sun rises not to the sound of chirping birds, but to the low hum of machines. Robots, the diligent caretakers of this new era, are everywhere, maintaining cities, managing resources, and even making art. They've become the architects of society, rendering human labor obsolete. In this future, robots have not only taken over the job market, but also our homes. Domestic robots equipped with sophisticated artificial intelligence have become the ultimate personal assistants. They cook, clean, and even tutor our children, performing tasks with a level of efficiency that far surpasses human ability. In the realm of healthcare, robotic surgeons perform complex procedures with unprecedented precision, while AI therapists provide mental health support around the clock. Never before has healthcare been so accessible or so precise. But this robot-run future isn't without its challenges. With machines in control, questions about ethics and accountability become paramount. Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake? How do we ensure that robots act in humanity's best interest? The answers to these questions will shape the future of this robot-led world. To summarize, this video proposed a future where robots have taken over not just the workforce, but every aspect of life. From domestic tasks to healthcare, robots have the potential to outperform humans in efficiency and precision. However, this future also raises important ethical questions about accountability and the safeguarding of human interests. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's essential to remember that robots are tools created by us, for us. Their future, whether as mere instruments or as autonomous entities, is in our hands. The choices we make now will shape the world that our children and their children will inherit. So, as we move forward, let's do so with caution, foresight, and a deep respect for the power of technology. Remember, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. So, what kind of future will you create?